Did you know that you can actually register two completely different faces to unlock a single iPhone? Whether you want to add a trusted family member, a partner, or just register yourself with a totally different look, like wearing heavy winter gear, Apple has a built-in feature for this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mexmew channel. In this video, I will show you a quick, straightforward guide to adding a second Face ID to your iPhone in under 1 minute. Let's get it done. First step, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the search bar at the top. Type Face ID, and then select Face ID and Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your current lock screen passcode to gain access. Once you are inside the menu, make sure the toggle for iPhone Unlocked is turned on. Next, scroll down a bit and look for the option that says Set up an alternative appearance. Tap on it. Hit Get Started and place the new face in front of the camera. Simply move your head in a circle to complete the scan. And that is it. The second Face ID is active. Now, if you do not see the alternative appearance option on your screen, it means a second face is already registered. To fix this, you will need to scroll down, tap Reset Face ID, and then set up both your primary and secondary faces completely fresh. Thank you for watching this Mexmew tutorial. Did this help you out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Mexmew for more direct tech tips every day. See you in the next one.